Did y'all see where the Wait, wait, come here, bro. What are you talking about, bro? I got COVID. I got COVID. What are you talking about?
No.
I just had to sneeze, bro. Hey, can I ask you something? So when I was over there, I saw you walk. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. I'm sorry. Come here. Hey, can I ask you something? Cause he eating Takis right now. Takis. You ever had the blue? Let me smell them. I want to just smell them. Did you see them Takis over there? Like, so have you ever had the blue kind? Okay, like when I had these kind, like let me smell them, cause I.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I sneeze on you? I'm sorry.
Do it to me.
I didn't mean to sneeze on you.